Students, how are you today? We will solve Accumulative Test 9 Till Lesson 9 Unit 1. Okay, from معاصر book. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. If the age of Ahmed 5 years ago was X years, then his age now will be what? Will be X plus 5. Again, the age of Ahmed 5 years ago was X. From 5 years ago was X. So then his age now will be X plus 5. We must add 5. Question number 2 here. Question number 2. If the age of Ziyad now is X years, then his age after 3 years will be what? He asked about after 3 years. It will be X plus 3. Okay, because if the age of Ziyad now X years after 3 years will be X plus 3. Question number 3, the expression X here power 2 multiply 9x power 2 plus kx plus 25 is perfect square if k equal. He asked about perfect square about this example. So k will be what? It's the median here, positive or negative, square root about first and third, multiplication about them, and multiply by 2 outside here, 2 here, multiply 9 and square root about what? 25. We have here x power 2, 9x power 2 in root 8, it will be 3x times 2 equals 6x, so we'll make it right, positive or negative 2 multiply by 3x multiply by 5. The result will be positive or negative. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. So the result will be positive or negative 30. Again, the expression 9x power 2 plus kx plus 25 is perfect square. Then k equal positive or negative 2 square root 9x power 2 multiply 25. It's about k equal coefficient here, kx. We have here k multiplied by x would be the result here 30x, then k equal positive or negative 30. K will be positive or negative 30. 2 multiply square root about 9 multiply square root about 25. The result will be positive or negative 30. If 2 is a root of equation x power 2 plus kx equals 6, then k equal, we must put 2 here about x, satisfy x equal 2, 2 power 2 equal 4, 4 plus 2k equal 6. We must subtract 6 by 4, moving 4 from left hand side to right hand side. 2k equal 6 minus 4 equal to 0, so here 2 times 1 equal 2. Then k must be equal 1. We must choose letter D about this example. Question number 5. The solution set of the equation x times x plus 2 equals 0 in R equal. We have x equals 0 or x equal negative 2 because 0 times this expression will be 0. And if we put negative 2 here, negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. The result will be here what solution set about this expression will be 0 and negative 2. You can solve this example by another method, by multiplication them. X power 2 plus 2x equals 0, and here factorizing them again, so the result will be again x and negative 2, x 0 and negative 2 here. Question number 6. If x minus y equal 5 and x power 2 plus x times y plus y power 2 equals 7, then x power 3 subtract y power 3 here equals base. We can factorize this expression by write small brackets here and greater brackets here, x minus y and x power 2 and y power 2 here positive x times y. The product of the result here about first 5 multiply about second, 5 times 7 equals 35, right? 35 here. The solution set of equation x power 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0 in R equal. He asked about the solution set about equation here. We can factorize this expression open two brackets here, x power 2 equal x power 2, x power 2 equal x times x, and we want to find two factors multiplication about them equal 6, and if we add them the result will be 5. We can write 2 and 3 here and sign negative and negative, because negative times negative equal positive, and the median will be negative. Then x here will be 2 or x equal 3. We can write 2 or 3. So solution set will be 2 and 3 about this example. The expression x power 2 plus 5x plus m can factorize it if m equal. We can factorize it here. X multiplied by x. We want two factors multiplication about them m, and if we add them the result will be 5, such that 2 and 3 or what, or 4 and 1 as you like. You can write here 2 and 3 because 2 times 3 equal 6, and if we add them will be 5. So m will be 6. 6 we have in 6 in the example here. Or you can thinking about x and x, another two factors, to find 8 of them equal 5, such that what, 4 and 1 here, 4 and 1, 2 times 3 equals 6. We have in 6 in here as a result. Thinking about what, 6 and 1, 6 and 1 here multiplication, the 8 of them we haven't here 5. So we can find what, thinking about two factors here, the result if we find multiplication about them will be m. Thinking about negative 14 here, about this number, negative 14 will be 7 times 2 equal negative 14, but we must find the point here or the sign about the greater. It will be positive and then will be negative. Excellent, because negative 2 times 7 equal negative 14, so m must be negative 14. You must thinking about this example about all result. If we do 2 and 3, 2 times 3 is 6, we haven't 6 in the choosing here. We give us in the example 12 and 7 and negative 14 and negative 2 only. He can't, or he given us 6 in the choosing here. He give us 12 and 7 and negative 14 and negative 2 only. So you must thinking about another factors, such that 14. Ask yourself, 14 equal what? 2 times 7. And we have sign here negative. So we must try the different signs here. Negative here and positive. Okay. So negative 2 times 7 equal negative 14, and 7 plus negative 2 equal 5. Then m must be equal negative 14. We must write negative 14 about this example. Factorize each of the following completely. We can try this example by write third outside here. The result will be x power 2 minus 1. And then write third outside, x minus 1 multiply x plus 1. In this example, ax minus 3x plus 5a minus 15. We can solve this example by regrouping here two expression here, write x outside, and the result will be a minus 3. Write height common factor between two factors here, and write 5 outside about two terms here. It will be a minus 3, and then write a minus 3 outside here. The result will be x plus 5. Okay. Question number 3. A rectangle whose length is more than its width by 2 cm and its area is 35 square centimeter. Find perimeter. We have rectangle, but the width will be x and the length will be x plus 2. And we know the area equals 35. Then x plus 2 multiply by x equals 35. Why? Because the area of rectangle equal length times width. So we know length equal x plus 2 and width equal x. We can find the result. X times x equal what? X power 2 plus 2 times equal 2x, and moving 35 here, it will be negative 35 equals 0. And then we can factorize this example to find unknown about x. Write x multiply by x equal x power 2, and 5 times 7 equals 35, and the difference between them equal 2. Right here negative or positive. The first will be such that the median positive and the second negative equals 0. Then x equal 5 or x equal -7. -7 is the wrong because we haven't the length was negative. So x will be 5. The width will be 5 centimeter. And the length will be x plus 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. We have 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. 2 dimension here. We can find the parameter about this rectangle length plus width multiplied by 2. 7 plus 5 equal 12. 12 times 2 equal 24 centimeter. Question letter B here. Find a positive number. If it's square 82, 83 times the result will be 28. He asked about what? Positive number if it's square. Let here the number will be x and its square, it will be x power 2. If we added it to 3 times, the result will be 24. 3 times it, the result will be 28. We can factorize this example by write x power 2 plus 3x minus 28 equals 0, and then factorize this number x power 2, it will be x times x, and we want 2-digit multiplication about them equal 28, and the difference between them equal 3, such that 4 and 7. Yeah, 4 and 7, 4 times 7 equal 28, and the difference between them equal 3, and the sign about greater such that the median, and it will be negative. So x will be 4 or x equal -7. It's the wrong number because he asked about the positive. We want the positive number. Then the positive number will be what? 4. Then the number will be 4. X equal 4.